In this video, we will demonstrate how to generate a drawing and how to place various views and annotations on it. Select Base Views and select an existing layout, or create a new layout to generate a drawing. Through the command dialog, you can change various settings such as orientation, hidden and tangent edge visibility, scale, etc. Once the base view has been placed, drag the cursor downward to place an additional projected view. Place a center mark on the base view and place a radial dimension on the largest circle. Quickly access the radial dimension command again by hitting Enter and place a few more of these dimensions. Place a linear dimension between the center of the bolts. Select Section View and create a vertical section view. Place the sectioned view to the right of the base view. Place a linear dimension from the left support to the deflector sheave. Use the Continue Dimension command to place two more dimensions along the top of the view. Place a linear dimension between the center of the two bolts. On the top, projected view, create a section view through the shaft support. Project it upwards and hit Ctrl to place the view freely. Place it next to the top view. Place a center mark on the new section view. Note that the ball bearings are also sectioned in the section views. To change this, open the file for the ball bearing. Change the sectionable value to No and save the file. Return to the main assembly and update it. Return to the drawing. Note that the ball bearings are no longer sectioned. Go to the model space and create a new base view. In the command dialog, change the orientation to Custom to create an isometric view and turn on tangent lines. Place the isometric view. With the isometric view selected, go to the Properties panel and change the geometry to 3D. Change the visual type to Mechanical. Turn the visibility for the Drawing Viewports layer off. Select the Bill of Materials command. Use the command dialog to add columns for materials, parameters, and mass. Select the bottom level setting. Place the Bill of Materials in the top left corner of the drawing. Place balloons on the drawing view. select a balloon and change the arrow style in the Properties panel.